My name is Patty Pennick, and I am Head of Youth Services at the Goffstown Public Library. Today I want to talk to you about one of the most exciting times of the year, I think, at the library. And that is this time of the year when we plan our summer experience programs. I love it because it's fun to see new families and children and adults and teens come into the library. A lot of times people that we don't normally see, we get to see in the summer because they have a little more free time. But what I really love is how the staff really bands together and thinks of programs that people of all ages would enjoy. This summer our theme is called All Together Now, and it has a focus on unity and community and kindness. So it's been a lot of fun to work with. This is the booklet that you might see come home if you have children in the Goffstown School District. I will be speaking with almost every student in K through 4 over the next few weeks, which is great. And I'll be talking to them about how the program works. So it's an 8-week program, and there's 2 ways to participate. You can sign up online on our online platform called Beanstack and track reading hours and complete some fun activities to earn virtual raffle tickets. Those virtual raffle tickets are then submitted into a raffle for one of our fun prizes. The other way to participate is to attend one of the cool programs that we have planned for you. I have the honor of being able to plan the program for preschool up through 4th grade. So again, this is the booklet that age group will be using. Inside of it has all the information that I'm quickly trying to share with you right now, but the directions are here in the booklet. A list of the raffle prizes that children can work to earn. But the best part, the meat of the booklet, is the center, and that's the listing, and I know it's really small and hard to see at home, I'm sure, of all the programs that we have to offer. Some of the highlights for this summer would be having the Children's Museum of New Hampshire come to facilitate a program called Working Together, Amazing Animal Builders. We have our annual Sky Watch that I know people of all ages love to attend every year. We have a pollinator program, which will be fun, as well as a lot of the departments in the town are banding together to offer our Touch-a-Truck. So DPW, police, and fire will all be attending our special event that day to share their vehicles with the families of Goffstown. We have our always very well attended and ever popular stuffed animal sleepover. Often has a very long waiting list, so try to register as soon as possible. I just realized that one thing I did not share with you are the dates of the program. So it begins on Saturday, June 17th. Sign up begins both on Beanstack as well as for the programs that do require registration. And it runs for 8 weeks through Saturday, August 12th. Okay, so again, this booklet will be heading home over the next couple of weeks if you have children in the district, and if not, you can find it here at the library. But remember, this is a program for all ages, even though today I'm just talking to you about the littles. Thanks so much.
Hi everyone, Liz here in Adult Services. This week, I'd like to talk to you about a new program we have going on this summer. For those of you in the know, you'll be aware that the Goffstown Public Library is part of the GMILCS consortium. It's a consortium of 12 different libraries in the area, and we share our resources all the time. And so this summer, in order to get the word out about the different services that are available to you as part of the GMILCS consortium, we've decided to work together to create a fun new program that we are calling the GMILCS Library Hop. The way this works is you visit your home library, in this case Goffstown, and you pick up a passport. In the passport, you will see each library has its own page, its own passport page with a challenge. So you visit your library, you complete the challenge, you get a stamp or sticker to mark off in your passport book. At the end of the summer, when you have completed your entire passport book, you can bring it back to your home library to be entered for a chance to win a $100 gift card to Bookery in Manchester. So this program will run from June 1st to August 31st. You can start or stop anytime, but please stop by, pick up your passport, and check out all the other libraries in the area that are available to you as a Goffstown cardholder.
You ready?
Hey everyone, this is Stacy at the Goffstown Public Library. I am Teen Services Library Assistant, and I'm here to talk to you about summer reading experience. Yep, it's that time of year again, and I have so much in store for you. You'll want to start coming in and grabbing these booklets, which will be on the second floor, to find out everything that is going on for teens. Of course, you can register in Beanstack, earn raffle tickets that you can redeem for prizes, and back by popular demand, we are going to have a murder mystery party again. We're also kicking it off with a survivor-like challenge of games, and the tiny art show is back. So if you want to know everything that's going on, stop in, grab this booklet, and remember, things can open up and be registered on June 17th. All right, hope to see you soon.